These tiny green fruits on my hand are the olives. And they will be growing up from now to September. Hello everyone, hello friends of Taste of Spain. I hope everything goes well. Yes, we had a blossom just 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, and now the olives come out, and then they will be getting bigger and bigger and bigger across all the summer. Normally we pick the olives to make the oil in October and early November. That's early harvest in general. Traditionally, we pick the olives in Spain, Italy, Greece, all over in Christmas or after Christmas. But the quality is much bigger and much higher if you do it 2 months earlier in October. That's what we do here. Well, I will be waiting for you. We can pick the olives. Why not? Would you like to help me? See you soon in Spain.